Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to online market. This is Euro GBP pair and this is a downtrend market. Okay, we'll place a higher option, some margin safety trade. And previously some buyers entered this level. So candle exactly at this point. So that's why reason we'll place a some margin safety trade. Okay. Okay, this is a ATM, no problem. We'll place a lower option. And this is a downtrend market. This candle make a new low, so I'm expecting make a next bearish candle. Okay, have a check the next pair. And this also downtrend market. Next buyer's entry point at here. So this is a buyer rejection. This also rejection. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is a rejections, some buyers. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. You can see this is a buyer's entry point. So I'm expecting also this is a buyer's entry point. This is strong rejections. Okay. Okay, strong buyers enter the market. Let's see the result. Have checked the next pair. And this is a downtrend market. It's going to more down. This is a double bottom. Okay. Next buyers entry point at here. But this is a ranging market. There is a 50-50 chances. Okay, we'll place a lower option. It's a very strong candle. And previous candle also very strong under the market. Some sellers. And this is a market momentum. Next buyers entry point at here. And there is no levels. And previous candle is very strong. So that's why reason I place a lower option. Okay. I'm expecting make a strong rejection bearish candle. Why? Because previous some buyers entered this level. Can see. Okay, have 5 seconds. Okay, this is also winning trade, and this is a rejection candle. Okay, no problem. Have checked the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option, some margin safety trade. Okay, this is a 50-50 chances. Sometimes our sellers are very strong to enter the market. It's a round number. Okay, you can see. But minor trend is uptrend market. There is a gap. There is no seller rejection. So that's why reason I place a higher option, some margin safety trade. So it's make a rejection or giving a weak bearish candle. Okay, candle exactly closing point at the level. Okay, I'll check the next pair. Okay. Okay, I'll place a higher option. Okay, very late entry. This is a fast momentum. I'm expecting this level, but this is a round number. This is a round number, so we don't know this trade win or loss. Okay, no problem. My late entry is giving a loss of my trade. Very good entry path. Okay, I'll place a higher option. Why? Because this candle already make a new high, and this is a buyer's area. So I'm expecting make a bullish candle, not a bearish candle. And next seller's entry point at here. Previous sellers at here. So I'm expecting make a seller's entry point at here. This candle already make a new high. So that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, still some strong buyer's entry. We have 5 seconds. Okay, this is also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is seller's entry points. Already it's broke the seller's entry point very strongly, so that's the reason I place a higher option. So don't expect the retracement candle. Why? Because there is no seller rejection at this candle, and after this very small bullish candle, it's make a rejection. You can expect the retracement candle. So there is no rejection. This is a very strong candle, so that's the reason I'll place a higher option. This is not a trend momentum. Okay, middle of the trend, some weak sellers enter the market and some buyers enter the market. So this is not a strong momentum. So that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, I will place a 5 trades. All are winning trades. And I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram price action video course. Zoom class is also available. If you are interested this binary option, contact on my WhatsApp. Okay, details are in this video description below. Okay, thank you.